Every day morning, we wake up, brush your teeth, make a coffee, and go to work. In our working place and outer world, always conflicts. People always shout at each other. This is right, this is wrong. No wonder what I always feel outcast. Today's society and 9 to 5 work style make me a miserable. But here, everything different. So quiet. This clean air, water is different. I feel more connected to myself and nature. It's like I am touched depth of my soul. No one here to judge you. You can do what you like. I feel like being a kid again. This quote always stay in my mind. World is a book. Those who do not travel only read a one page. Living in the moment, enjoy your life.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
කඩපම් බං ඒ කඩන් දෙයක් තියෙනවා කටින් කඩහන්කො බං ඒ රත්තු නැද්ද ඇදී දාන්නේ
You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking.
උලන් තාදලා
You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow.